Notice uneven tile edges on your floors? This is called lippage, and it's one of the most common tile installation problems. But don't worry, let's break it down and show you how to fix it. Lippage happens when tile edges are not level. It's caused by several factors, including natural tile warpage, improper installation, incorrect grout spacing. What is tile warpage? Tiles aren't always 100% flat. Tile warpage is a natural characteristic that happens during the firing process, especially in larger tiles. How to minimize lippage and warpage issues. 1. Use the right tile layout. Avoid a 50% offset for plank style or large format tiles. Use 30% offset instead. 2. Maintain proper grout joint width. Smaller grout joints can make lippage more noticeable. Follow these guidelines. For rectified tiles, minimum 2 mm. For standard tiles, 3 to 5 mm to allow for natural movement. Never install tiles with a zero grout joint. It increases the risk of cracking and lippage. Use tile leveling systems. Tile leveling clips help keep tiles flush and reduce lippage. Wait at least 24 hours before removing clips to let the adhesive cure properly. Proper tile adhesive and troweling. Use the right amount of adhesive and notched trowel, U-notch or square notch, for better adhesive coverage. Back butter large tiles for extra bonding strength. Always apply adhesive in one direction, not swirls, to prevent air pockets, and trowel towards the shortest direction of the tile. With the right techniques, you can achieve a flawless tile installation. Need expert advice? Contact us today.